Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming permissions and backing up the PES dataset. This prevents lost work. Next, open the source and target modules so you can see both schemas side by side. Once done, identify the primary key in the source and the matching foreign key in the target and verify data types match. Make sure to note any nulls or formatting differences now, because mismatches cause failures. Begin the actual link by selecting the source record set for mapping. Now you map fields, drag or assign each source key to the corresponding target field and name the relationship clearly. While mapping, apply transforms where needed. Type cast numbers, trim whitespace, and normalize date formats so the link succeeds. Once mapping is configured, run a sample of 1050 records to validate results and inspect both matched and unmatched rows. If you see mismatches, adjust transforms and rerun the sample until the expected records align. Execute the full link job with logging and an audit trail enabled so you can track what changed. Monitor progress, and when it finishes, review the log for errors and the count of linked versus failed rows. For failures, export the failed row list, correct data issues in source or adjust mapping, and rerun only the failed subset to save time. Finally, update documentation with the link definition and a short troubleshooting note so others can reproduce or repair it.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.